Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Srinivas Scaffolds. Hope you are doing well. Before going to our actual content, let me start with a beautiful lines by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam about research. Science and spiritualism seek the same divine blessings for doing good for the people. It means science and spirituality both are playing a vital role to help and doing good for the people. So let's start our actual content without any delay. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, known for its cutting-edge R&D knowledge base in diverse science and technology areas, is a contemporary R&D organization. Having a pan-India presence, CSIR has a dynamic network of 38 national laboratories and 39 outreach centers and 3 innovation complexes and 5 units across India. CSIR covers a wide spectrum of science and technology, from radio and space physics, oceanography, geophysics, chemicals, drugs, genomics, biotechnology, and nanotechnology to mining, aeronautics, instrumentation, environmental engineering, and information technology. It provides significant technological intervention in many areas with regard to social efforts, which include environment, health, drinking water, food, housing, energy, farm and non-farm sectors. Further, and moreover, CSIR's role in science and technology, human resource development is noteworthy. What is the main mission of CSIR? We will see now. CSIR's mission is to build a new CSIR for a new India, and CSIR's vision is to pursue science which strives for global impact, the technology that enables innovation-driven industry and nurtures transdisciplinary leadership, thereby catalyzing inclusive economic development for the people of India. If you are enough passionate about research, I am here to help you where you can work, and that means what are the CSIR labs, where they are located. All these things I can provide in this video as a part 1. CSIR IIIM, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine. It was located in Unitary Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and their research includes chemical sciences, microbial sciences, and plant sciences. Again, from chemical sciences, we will have medicinal chemistry division, bioorganic chemistry division, natural product chemistry. About microbial sciences, microbial biotechnology, fermentation technology, and clinical microbiology division. And plant sciences includes plant science division, genetics, and experimental farming. And next lab is CSIR IICT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, which was located in Hyderabad, Telangana. And their research areas are Department of Analytical and Structural Chemistry, Applied Biology, Catalysis and Fine Chemicals, Energy and Environmental Engineering, Center for Lipid Science and Technology, Center for Natural Products and Traditional Knowledge, Fluoro-Agrochemicals, Organic Synthesis and Process, Polymers and Functional Materials, Process Engineering and Technology Transfer. And our next lab is CSIR IICB, Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, and their research includes cancer biology and inflammatory disorder, cell biology and psychology, infectious diseases and immunology, molecular genetics, organic and medicinal chemistry, structural biology and bioinformatics. And it was located in West Bengal, Kolkata. And next one is Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology. It was located in Delhi, and their research areas include genomics and molecular medicine, cardiorespiratory disease biology, chemical and systems biology, informatics and big data. And next one is Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology. It was located in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, and their research areas includes environmental technology, biotechnology, agrotechnology, chemical technology, dietetics and nutrition technology. And next one is CSIR 4PI, 4th Paradigm Institute, Bangalore, Karnataka. The center is involved in developing modeling approaches for illuminating the structure and evolution of complex systems. And next one is Central Salt Marine Chemicals Research Institute, which was located in Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Their research areas includes plant omics, salt and marine chemicals, process design and engineering, natural products and green chemistry, membrane science and separation technology, inorganic materials and catalysis, and also applied physiology and biotechnology, analytical and environmental science division. Central Scientific Instruments Organization located in Chandigarh. Their research areas includes agronics, both in pre and post-harvest technologies, biomedical instrumentation, optical devices and systems, advanced materials and sensors, precision mechanical systems, MMI and FMC, and computational instrumentation, information service, energy management systems, business development and project management. And next one is Central Road Research Institute, which was located in New Delhi. Their research areas include design, construction, maintenance and management of roads and airport runways. Our next CSIR lab is Central's Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur, which was located in West Bengal. Their research areas includes Advanced Design and Analysis Group, Aero Systems Laboratory, Center of Advanced Manufacturing and Metrology Group, Center for Industrial Research and Services, Department of Business Innovation and Skills, Design Management and Systems Engineering Group, Energy Research and Technology Group, Environmental Engineering Group, Foundry Group, Information Technology Group, Materials and Process and Microsystem Laboratory, Robotics and Automation, and Surface Engineering and Tribology. Our next CSIR lab is Central Leather Research Institute, which was located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And their research areas includes biological sciences, chemical sciences and mostly leather technology. Next is Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, which was located in Dhanbad, Jharkhand, and their research includes mining technologies and fuel sciences. Central Institute of Medicinal Aromatic Plants, which was located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and their research areas includes agronomy, biotechnology, chemical sciences, crop protection, plant biology, genetics and plant breeding. And next CSIR lab from West Bengal, Kolkata, that is Central Glass Ceramics Research Institute. Their research areas includes advanced ceramics and composites, bioceramics and coating, energy materials and devices, fiber optics and photonics, functional materials and devices, refractory and traditional ceramics, specialty glass and water technology. Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysore, Karnataka, CFTRI, and their research mainly includes food production and safety. Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, Pilani, Rajasthan. Their research areas include cyber physical systems, smart sensors, microwave devices, facilities and process management. One more CSIR lab from Tamil Nadu, Karaikudi, Central Electrochemical Research Institute. Their research areas includes corrosion and material protection, electrochemical power sources, electroplating and metal finishing, electrochemical process engineering, electro-organic and materials electrochemistry, electrodics and electrocatalysis. Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and their research areas includes malaria and other parasitic diseases, antimicrobial resistance, viral infections, cancer biology, neuroscience and aging biology, cardiovascular system disorders, bone health, reproductive health, and preclinical studies and translation. CCMB, Center for Cellular Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, and their research areas includes development biology, structural biology, genomics and epigenetic regulation, cell and stem cell biology, microbes and biology of infection, wildlife conservation and ecology, crop improvement, innovation and technology development. And next CSIR lab is Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee from Uttarakhand. And their research areas includes advanced materials, disaster mitigation, health monitoring, energy efficiency building, modeling and simulation. These are the few research labs of CSIR. This is the part 1 I have made. In next part 2 we will see other institutes. Hope you benefited from it and enjoyed a lot. Please like, share and subscribe Srinivas Scaffold's YouTube channel. Thank you.